Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. This is the 2019 VW T-Roc that we've been working on. What we've installed is an integrated reversing camera into the factory screen. So what I'm going to do is show you the installation that we've carried out and show you exactly how it looks in terms of your vehicle. So down here we're using what's called a ProFit wedge camera, which is really neat, tucked away in here. So there's no visible cables whatsoever at all. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you inside the vehicle now. So as you can see here, this vehicle hasn't gone out to the customer yet, so this is pre-delivery. As you can see here, we've got the new MIB2 system. Main thing to look out for to make sure this system is compatible with your car is inside the glove box that you've got 1 or 2 SD card slots. But if you give us a call and send over some pictures, we'll be happy to confirm what information we need. So basically, full functionality as well. Really, really nice this car. Really like what VW done with their new system. So you select reverse, it pops through on here. Main thing is that it retains your PDC control of front and rear parking sensors, as well as you've got fully active guidelines, so they guide you into the space really easily. It just makes parking that little bit easier. So for more details on this system or for an installation, feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact number is 01223 563030. Look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.